Hey, welcome back! It's been a while I made a video with a voiceover, but we just hit 900 subscribers and I wanted to say thank you to everyone who's following. I'm starting with 14 2mm beads. How many beads you need depends on the bigger bead you're planning to put in the center. Just make sure the number of beads can be divided by 2, so you have the same amount of beads on each side. You'll see what I mean in just a second. Now take both ends of your nylon cord together and pull them through your bigger bead. Now it should look like this. Look for the 2 beads that are exactly in the center of your loop. And now pull both ends of your cord through them, just like that. Now you end up with something like this. Don't mind the gap on the other side of the bead, we'll take care of that later. For the ring, just add 2 more beads on one side. Then take the other side and pull it through them. If you want your ring to be thinner, just take only 1 bead for this step. Now continue until your ring fits around your finger. When you're done, close the gap by pulling each side of the cord through the 2 beads, like that. Then I make 2 tight knots and seal them with clear nail polish. Once everything's dry, I turn the ring inwards, and that's it. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments. Until then, have a nice day.